Fritz Haber was born on December 9, 1868, in Wrocław, Poland, yet died on January 29, 1934, in Basel, Switzerland. He was initially Jewish, however converted to Lutheranism later on throughout his life. 78% of the atmosphere is composed of N2, which is a triple bond molecule. Most of the soil's nutrition comes from this specific element. However, intensive farming led to the depletion of nitrogen in soil, creating a food crisis. In 1908, Fritz Haber combined nitrogen from the air with hydrogen under 500 degrees Celsius and an atmospheric pressure of 150 to 200 to accidentally create ammonia. Carl Bosch later made improvements to this procedure in order to be able to produce it in an industrial scale. Known as the Haber-Bosch process, it allowed ammonia to be produced massive quantities. The creation of ammonia was used for synthetic fertilizers, which allowed the population to boom from 1.6 billion to 5.5 billion. As of 2015, over 50% of people are sustained by the Haber-Bosch process. Over 100 million tons of synthetic fertilizer are produced every year. However, nitrogen fertilizer is believed to be the main source of oceanic pollution. The synthetic fertilizer leads to the overgrowth of algae, which depletes oxygen in water, creating dead zones in which aquatic life cannot live. The fertilizer also releases nitrogen oxide, which is 300 times more heat-retaining than carbon dioxide. Ammonia combined with oxygen put through a hot platinum catalyst creates nitrogen monoxide, which then added to water and oxygen creates nitric acid, which is used to make explosives such as TNT. Fritz Haber was known for the invention of two of the chemicals used in the chemical warfare of World War I, known as chlorine gas and mustard gas. Concentrated hydrochloric acid and potassium manganate 7 was used to create chlorine gas. Thanks to Haber's inventions of chlorine gas and mustard gas in 1915 and 1917, the Germans were able to lead a large-scale attack in Belgium, leading to the death of 1,004,069 people. Haber also invented Zyklon A, which was manipulated by other scientists to create Zyklon B, which was used in concentration camps under Hitler's regime in 1933, killing over 1.1 million people, some of which were Haber's own families. On the bright side, in 1919, he won the Nobel Peace Prize for improving the standards of agriculture and well-being of mankind.